Hello? Delivery for the squirrels?
Yay! Dear squirrels.
We have traveled so far and seen so much, such as Jigsaw Ridge, which I now fear has a few pieces missing, the polka dot pine trees, and the slightly disappointing wild waterfall. But there is no place like home, and we long to see Pippin. See you soon!
It's Phileas Frog and Flea.
Bonjour, squirrels!